Well, the people can be categorized as know your people. It's very important for you to know your people whom you work with, because you want to task them with things to do. For that, you need to know some of the profile of the people that you're talking to. One set of people are very slow learners, maybe bordering on the side of laziness. They do not like to do much work. So you need to handhold them, you need to be polite to them in your communication. And you need to lure them to come to the site of the work to get started. The next type of people are the people who are afraid of failures. Maybe they have attempted something and they could not take the rebuke or rebuttal from the community, that they are afraid to attempt to work again. They have fear of failure. And a third type of people are what we may call as go-getters, achievers, who are eager to achieve, perhaps even with a dab of greed in it. So I've categorized people into three sectors. One is the slow learners, bordering on the side of laziness, and the other is people who have got fear in them of experimenting anymore because of past experiences and bad memories. And the third type is go-getters, who will not take no for an answer, who has got a habit of achieving, going after success, chasing accomplishments. So we need to formulate three types of communication and three types of approach. One is about hand-holding, luring, being kind to them, and giving them opportunities. That is for the slow learners. And for the people with fear, we need to get them started, to get them out of the fear first, before burdening them with more things to do. And the third people are the people who want challenges. They will not go for something easy. Only if you communicate to them that there is adequate challenge for an adrenaline rush will they be enthused to do your task for you. Let me bring it in the context of a penalty shootout in the end of a football match. When the football match is draw, when two teams are having draw scores, then there is a 5 penalty shootouts. The first category of people who are slow learners, bordering on the side of perhaps even laziness, it's important to communicate to them that you have 5 chances. You have 5 chances to do things. Then they feel a little enthused, because now they are not limited or confined into a framework. You can invite them to the work by telling them there are immense chances and opportunities, that they can still take chances. They're not expected to achieve result. And that way you can lure them into this context of penalty shootout. The second category of people who have some fear, you can tell them that you have 2 chances to fail. Suppose that it is 3 goals that you're seeking to win the game. In that event, and only limited to that event, the communication could be, you have 2 chances to fail, so it's okay to fail. And then they will feel nice to make a second approach, a second attempt. Because now that you have invited them that there are good chances that you can fail, it's okay to fail 2 times. You can get them started. They will give their full energy, full enthusiasm, and they may score the next 3 goals. The last category, who are go-getters, who have a habit of achieving, you cannot use the first 2 approaches. You need to tell them, within 3 shots, you must win the game. You must score the first 3 shots, and that will enthuse them, that will energize them, that will get them connected to your language of communication. That here they see opportunity to get an adrenaline rush. They are limited, confined, and they got a target to achieve, and they give their best. So the 3 ways to get the best out of the people you're talking to. The one, if you categorize them as slow learners, allow them to have a lot of opportunities around them. Give them that kind of communication. And 2, tell them that there are chances to fail and it's okay to fail. So the people with fear in them will get connected with you to give their best once again. And the people who are looking for achieving targets immediately, your approach should be that this is confined and limited to people who really are going to deliver, and then they will join your team. So these are the three ways to know your people.